Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on artificial intelligence. In this video, we'll explore the basics of AI, machine learning, and how these technologies are used in real-world applications. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI for short, is a vast field that involves the creation of machines and software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. AI is achieved through a combination of machine learning algorithms, computer vision, natural language processing, and other techniques that enable machines to reason, learn, and adapt like humans. Machine learning. One of the key technologies used in AI is machine learning. Machine learning algorithms enable computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time, without being explicitly programmed. There are different types of machine learning algorithms, including supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on a labeled dataset, while unsupervised learning involves finding patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning involves learning through interaction with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. Real-world applications of AI. AI is being used in a wide range of industries and applications, from self-driving cars and virtual assistants, to fraud detection and medical diagnosis. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, such as Siri and Alexa, have become ubiquitous in our daily lives. Self-driving cars, powered by machine learning algorithms, are revolutionizing the automotive industry. AI is also being used to improve healthcare outcomes by enabling more accurate diagnosis, personalized treatment, and drug discovery. However, AI also presents several challenges, including data privacy, security, and ethical concerns. Ethics in AI. As AI becomes more prevalent, it's important to consider the ethical implications of these technologies. AI can reinforce existing biases or create new ones, leading to discrimination and unfair treatment. It's crucial to ensure that AI systems are transparent, explainable, and unbiased. Organizations need to adopt ethical guidelines and frameworks to ensure responsible development and deployment of AI technologies. Privacy is also a concern, as AI systems can collect and use vast amounts of data. It's important to ensure that data is collected, used, and stored in a secure and ethical manner. Tools and platforms for AI. There are many tools and platforms available for developing and deploying AI applications, from open-source libraries, like TensorFlow and Keras, to cloud-based services, like AWS and Azure. These tools enable developers and data scientists to build and deploy AI models quickly and efficiently. Many of these tools also provide pre-trained models that can be used to solve common AI problems, such as image recognition and natural language processing. AI platforms, such as IBM Watson and Google Cloud AI, provide a suite of services for building, training, and deploying AI models. Case studies in AI. To better understand how AI can be applied in practice, we'll discuss some case studies in this section. For example, in healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical images, predict disease progression, and develop personalized treatment plans. In finance, AI is being used for fraud detection, risk management, and algorithmic trading. In manufacturing, AI is being used for predictive maintenance, supply chain optimization, and quality control. We'll explore how AI is being used in different industries and highlight some of the challenges and opportunities in these fields. Future of AI. Let's take a look at the future of AI. As AI technology advances, we can expect to see more widespread adoption of these technologies across different industries and applications. AI will continue to drive innovation and transform the way we live and work. However, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on employment, as AI systems can automate many tasks that were previously performed by humans. It's important to ensure that AI is used in a way that benefits society as a whole and not just a few select individuals or organizations. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a fascinating field that is revolutionizing many industries and applications. By understanding the basics of AI and machine learning, the real-world applications of these technologies, and the ethical considerations surrounding their use, we can better appreciate the opportunities and challenges that AI presents. With the right tools and platforms, as well as responsible development and deployment, AI has the potential to transform our world for the better. Thank you for watching this tutorial on artificial intelligence.